I think I'll answer the second one first. I think general insurance is clearly a blossoming story for India at large. It's dependent on how the Indian environment is moving, how the economics are moving, how consumption story in India is moving. Various analysis, various reports clearly show that India is ascending the global stage very quickly. So be it your cars, your homes, your health, your shops, godowns, farmers, laborers, any category of customers, any category of commercial contracts, everything requires protection for which insurance is needed. So this $15 billion market has to clearly move much bigger, much faster as we see. Reliance General Insurance is a 15-year-old company, has been doing reasonably well. We have been growing tad more than the market. Our growth in top line, bottom line was reasonably good in the last few years. And we expect that we can tap the opportunity in the future much better. So looking at all these things, our board really came up and said, okay, look, it's not a bad idea to go to the investors. It's been a Reliance tradition to go to investors and co-create wealth. And I think we are doing exactly the same thing. And I think we are looking at, potentially diluting between 10% to 25% in accordance with the SEBI guidelines. And, we should be having our issue maybe in this financial year.
Mr. Jain, if I could ask you, in terms, as you're saying 10% as per SEBI mandate, so to begin with, if it's going to be 10%, also the fact remains, would you look at a pre-IPO placement of this 10%, or that would be over and above the 10%? And secondly, if I could also ask you, would we also see a strategic partner announcement, because that has been in the offing for a long time now?
So pre-post, all these things will work out over the next few days. I think the objective for us is to really come in the public domain, and I think the contours will let you know. On the strategic partner, I guess there is no particular thing in place right now, and as and when it happens, we'll let you know. But the IPO is independent of any strategic partner objective, though the option for strategic partner remains open for us.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/ETNow.